So hey guys, what's up? This is Karan here, back with a new video, and today I've just installed the latest global stable room of MIUI 11.0.80 on my Redmi Note 8. How to install this build on your device, what are the things you get in this global stable room, and everything in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get quickly straight to the video now. This is I have my Redmi Note 8 in which I have just installed Xiaomi's latest global stable custom room, global stable room, which is 11.0.8.0. And what are the things you get here? This is a global stable room. The performance is pretty much great. All the things are almost same like all other MIUI 11 builds. This is the latest build. So what are the things you get here? I'll show you some things. By default it's a global stable room, so you get Google apps pre-installed, which means Google phone app, Google contacts and Google messages. These three apps are available in this build. Also you get a lot of Google apps are pre-installed. There are no Chinese bloatware apps. The thing is, this is a global stable, not a China stable, so you get a lot of things here. And the main thing is performance is pretty much smooth. The animations, wow, without any lags. Did not get any lag till now. The Google search bar is here, and also I have applied a wallpaper which looks pretty much cool. Your home screen looking pretty much nice. By default the Chrome is properly installed, and this one is the camera app which you get by default, and this is the official room. So there is a official camera already available. 48 megapixel is there which is working, portrait mode is here which is working, and everything else is working too. Wait, let me show you one more thing. This one is the ultra wide angle which is also perfectly working, and alongside with that with the macro lens is working too. So if you want to install a latest build on a device with working all camera modes and all other things, then you can install this build right now on your device. Wait, let me show you one more thing. What is the Geekbench score you get here? The Geekbench score is very good. The Geekbench score which you get here is 312 is the single core score, and 1389 is the multi-core score, which is pretty much best as you compare with your normal device average score. In single core you get 308, but in this time, in this flashing build, you get 312 is the single core score, and when you compare it with multi-core score, 1311 is the average score, and your device this time we get 1389, which is almost 1400, which is a very good thing. So it means you will see a lot of good things, great animations, great performance, but unfortunately the battery life is not good. You will get some drain in the battery life, a lot of huge drain without using your device for heavy usage. I just use my device for light usage, and I got some battery drain options, battery drain problems there. Theme center is here, which you get here is the Chinese theme center. This is a global here, but unfortunately you cannot apply themes, you cannot install themes from here. That's the thing, you have to sacrifice without using the themes. And everywhere here you don't get any option to import your third-party themes too. So another negative thing is here, even you don't get any favorites theme, which I already applied for, and I didn't got any my favorite themes listed here. I cannot install those themes. Whenever I search, I didn't got those themes too. So theme center is not working. That's the thing you have to keep in mind. Even you cannot use the wallpapers here. Here you can see you cannot install the wallpapers, you cannot use those wallpapers. But thing is, okay, everything is good. Unfortunately you have to keep in mind these things, that you cannot apply themes here. And security app, everything is same, just agree, and all other things are almost same without any things. Is Google camera working or not? This is the Google camera which you get here, and Google camera is working. I'm using the latest Gcam 7.3, which has a lots of features you can check out, and you can easily use this Gcam. So that's another very positive thing if you want to check out. And what about PUBG? PUBG is pretty much smooth. Game turbo option is available, so it means you can play PUBG without any issues facing, and that's a very good thing. Obviously I already shown you the Geekbench score, so it means PUBG is working without any issues. You get a very good performance in gaming, in performance, everything. This is pretty much good. Some bugs I already shown you, like you cannot install themes, even you cannot install third-party themes, the normal themes, you cannot use anything here. But if you want to use your device with something new patches, something new version, and PUBG is also working smoothly and some other things, then you can must try out this room because Gcam is there, official camera is working too. That's a very good thing. Some points are there, and you can see there is no issue at all in PUBG. I've just installed and I'm not able to do anything. That's good. Without any frame drops, it's working perfectly without any issues at all. And let me check out some other things. I think now if this is enough, we shall move on to the installation. If you want the installation too, I'll show you the installation also. But before that, let's check out some things in settings. About phone, as I already shown you, this is MIUI Global 11.0.8.0 with obviously Android version 9 and Android security patch level of 1st of March 2020. Here I have used ambient display. Unfortunately it is not working at all again, and all other things are almost same like other devices. In home screen, you have the option of app vault and swipe up on the home screen to open search. You don't get app drawer option available here, okay. And home screen layout, you have only two options available, 4x6 or 5x6. Some options which you get in almost a stock room. These are the features you get here. And also you get digital well-being pre-installed. This is a very good thing, that digital well-being is pre-installed. So these were all the things you get in a global stable room. So if you want to try out, you can try out right now.